Now look through your baskets and show me what you got. What are they?
Sunglasses. Sunglasses.
Ooh.
I have Tinkerbell. I have Tangled.
Cool. What else did you get?
Baseball gloves. Baseball gloves.
How fun.
Now we can play catch with Daddy.
Yeah. What else?
Swimsuit.
Ooh. Those are pretty swimsuits. I think you're holding it sideways, silly girl. You're still holding it sideways, but that's okay. Very cute, Ains. Very cute, Reese. Okay, what else?
Easter egg. Easter egg.
And candy, it looks like. Candy for Mommy and Daddy. And what's this little square thing? What are they?
Gymnastics.
For what?
For gymnastics.
Wow, that's pretty cool. What else did you guys get? Let's see.
Look what we got.
A new sprinkler, so you can use your swimsuits, huh? What else? What's this box here?
Chalk.
Ooh, cool.
And now, baby mummy for Aiden. And a monster truck.
Cool.
It makes sound.
Let's see. What does that triangle button do?
You'll see when we get to there.
Okay. Well, I bet you can push it now. Let's see. Oop. Spins the wheels. Crazy. Crazy. Well, cool. Now, what else did he leave?
Easter egg.
Well, you better go find him. Get your little Easter buckets that Grandma gave you, and you can put them in there. Empty them out. Ace, the ones that Grandma gave you. The ones that Grandma gave you, baby. Daddy's helping. Go over and get it from Daddy. Reese, wait. Now, you guys know that all this candy ends up in a bowl and we all share it anyway, right?
Okay.
Okay, go. Oops. Oh, you helped yourself, kid.
I broke it.
That's okay. Just put it in your bucket. Here. Reese, come here. Over here. Look over here. Well, get your butt over here, lady. Ainsley, look on the door.
Well, where did you go? Look over here.
Okay, Reese, get the one on the doors. Means there's too many eggs.
Here.
I think I have enough eggs.
No, Reese already. Oh. Did you get the one on the door, sweetie?
No.
Get the one on the door. You can use your other basket. Oh, that's too bright. What about the other door? Is there any on the other door?
Let me look on the garage door.
No, he only hit them in this room.
Here, while you're up here, look up. Look on the piano. Look on the piano.
I
Look.
found one that.
Look on the candles.
Oh!
Look on the piano, sweetie.
Oh! Ah! Oh!
Hey, sweetie, go look on the front door. See if there's anything there.
Usually got that one.
Oh, she did? Okay.
I'll go forget the glass.
Is that everything?
No, it was in the kitchen.
No, Reese already got the ones in the kitchen.
Oh, did she?